Good morning, K3. I'm so happy to be here with you in this beautiful new day of learning. I'm so excited. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. Did you see it? Wednesday. There you go. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. Super. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's month. We're learning that phrase. Okay, let's read the date together. Today is Wednesday, February 9th, 2022. Now, stop, look, and listen. Who do we have here? It's Sammy Seal. Say hi, Sammy Seal. Let's read the blends. Are you ready? Sa, se, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, se, sa. Super. Should we do it one more time? Sa, se, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, se, sa. Super! Bye, Sam. See you. Super. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Little book 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy Mice Family. What a big family. Now it says review the sounds of the letters. Say it with me. S, j, I, ah, eh, ah, d, ah, k, k. Good job! Super duper. The name of this letter is Y. It makes it sound yeah, as in yarn. Y says yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah. Oh. Yo. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yam. Super. The name of this letter is V. It makes it sound V, as in violin. V says V, V, V. Va. Vacuum. Van. Van. Vat. Vet. 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 Super duper duper. Here's Val. Let's see what it says. Val. Val. Can, not, yell, yell. Super. Let's read it one more time. Val, can, not, yell. No yelling. Okay, super duper. Now, it says up here, letters and sounds, page 71 and 72. Okay, so are you ready? Here we go. Let's write our name up here on the top. So we got our letters and sounds book out. Whoops, forgot to show you that. And then we opened up to page 71. And of course, we're going to write our name nice and neatly. And one says, circle the letters that complete each word. You know how to do it. Awesome. Then number 2 says, match. Let's say the words. Hand, tent, pond. One more time. Hand, tent, pond. Super. And number 3 says, write the blend your teacher says. Okay, are you ready? Listen. Sa. Remember, a blend is when we put a consonant and vowel together. 2 letters. Listen. S, ah, sa. Sa. Next one. Se. S, sa. Super. Next one. S, s, I, si. Super duper duper. Now let's turn the page to page 72. Woohoo! And it says fun with phonics. Draw a line to match the word with the picture. Color the pictures. Okay, let's say the words. Can you say them with me? Here we go. You got it? Hat. Hat. Cup. Cup. Dog. Woof, woof. Dog. 10. 10. Bug. Bug. Fox. Fox. Last one. Bell. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, match the words with the picture. You can do it, and don't forget to color the pictures. And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.